Hello dear friends, welcome to 𝐂𝐸𝐴 Textile Company. Myself Chandan Singh. So guys, let me have a quick some showcase of these beautiful sarees. You will say in this screen you will get an idea of our fabric. Let me tell you, this is the fabric of smooth silk Vichitra fabric. We will say in this particular fabric you will say there are some small golden zari threading work is appeared in this particular whole body of sarees. You will see there are some white border in this particular golden zari threading work is done by all the different kinds of shades. Like you will say there are some typical some small stones which if the camera is zoomed, then it's possible to showcase that some small stones are described here in this particular manner. You will see beautiful tassels are there which situated in border according to the contrast of sarees. You will see in this particular sarees. Guys, we have particular all the designs in different kinds of colors. In our company you not have to purchase single pieces of any particular sarees. We provide you in the collections of bunch of set in with particular different color shades like 7 or 8 pieces. Next saree you will see there are some beautiful cutting border in that. In this particular there are some fine multicolor threading work with beautiful golden zari works are there. You will see at particular saree. In this different kinds of there are some sequence work. If the camera is gonna be zoomed, is it possible? So I will show some different kinds of sequence work which are enhancing the total beautiful look of sarees. You will see in the camera. Next saree you will see there are some, let me tell you, it's a fine chickengari work. It's done in this particular dyed wear fancy wear sarees. You will see in the camera. In this saree there are some minor chickengari threading work is done by our manufacturer team. You will see some small golden zari threading works, beautiful silver threading works you will see in this particular video. There are some many different kinds of varieties and collections. Let me see the beautiful glimpses of this particular saree. You will having mesmerized beauty which enhance the total look of the saree. You will see at the fine you will get a contrast tassels in that particular sarees. You will see according to your taste. Let me tell you another some beautiful chickengari concept like work you will see in this camera. Some beautiful stones are situated sticked in this particular silver threading work you will see on this particular. In border there are some small stones designs which fill the border totally and give you some completely simple and sober item look you will see in the screen. This is some simple and sober concept which we will try at many our customers opinions. According to that we will purchase or we will manufacture some beautiful this simple kind of saree, simple and sober concept or traditional concept, some beautiful concepts like this. In this particular saree you will see some different buttas in this collections. There are some particular beautiful borders in this particular saree. There are some small stones which filled with golden zari and threading works. In all these dyed wear party wear collections there are some tassels which is situated in the particular sarees you will see. So guys, now the questions in your mind is that how to contact us. Simple, there are number which is visible in your video, visible in screens. This is a number of one of our team member. In this video you will send some beautiful screenshots to this number with the help of WhatsApp. In this particular video our team will guide you how will you place the order and how will you get the order by the facility of transportations or courier or any possible delivery facilities. In this particular video there are some PDFs. Let me give you a quick rate. This is in this particular dyed wear fancy collections there is a rate of 1000 to 2000, 3000, 5000. In this concept of range it's available here. It's not possible to tell you a particular saree range about in this particular video. All the questions you will tell all the questions or opinions or reviews or feedbacks, anything you will give in the comment sections and our online team will reply you according to your questions. So guys, let's start your business in investing some little amount like 20,000 or 25,000. you will get minimum or maximum order in this particular visit. So guys, thank you to watch till the end at the video. I will come at the next collections of videos. Thank you.